Hi everyone, so today I'm doing a Colourpop haul and I'm going to show you everything that I've recently bought from Colourpop. I kind of went a bit crazy on the website and I picked up a whole bunch of things. So this is everything that I got in this box right here. The only thing that I have tried from Colourpop is their no filter concealers. So I bought these about 2 weeks ago before I got this big order, and I just tried them out and I really do like them. I have a full review on my blog of these concealers and I compare them to some of my favorite concealers. I ordered this about a week and a half ago and it only took about a week to get here, not including the weekend. So it was a really fast shipping, and shipping was actually free. So if you spend $50 or more on the website, then you get free international shipping, which is great. So I just finished work and I did my makeup and now I'm going to show you everything that I got. So if you want to see everything that I got from Colourpop and unbox it with me, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with face products. So the first thing I got is the Colourpop No Filter Foundation, and this is in the shade Light 65. Full coverage, natural matte foundation, delivers flawless looking skin from day to night. It was developed with innovative soft blurring pigments to deliver true colour while looking and feeling natural. Alright, so let's open this. This is what the bottle looks like. Hopefully this is a good match. It does look pretty yellow based. It's just a glass bottle. It's got cute little stars all around the bottle, which I think is really cute. And it comes with a pump, which is something that I love in a foundation. So basically you just open it like that and then you can just lock it back into place so that it doesn't spill everywhere. So yeah, this is a foundation and I'm really excited to try this out in a tutorial. I always put things back in the box until I use them. Does anyone else do that? Or is it just me? So this is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I got two shades. I got Light 16 and Light 18. So I wasn't sure which shade I was going to be, but I'm really glad that I got these two shades because I do love them both and I'm actually using it today. They look really good on the skin. It is a medium to full coverage concealer. Light 16 is more of that like really brightening concealer that I like to use when I just want a really bright under eye. And these do dry down a little bit darker than when you first apply them, but not too much, so it's nothing really to worry about. So the next thing I got is the No Filter Setting Powder. So this is the translucent powder. So it's just in a little tub. To be honest, I thought the tub was going to be bigger than this, but it's pretty small. I like using a translucent powder to set my under eyes or bake, or sometimes I just set my whole face with this. So it looks like it's got a little bit of colour to it, so it's not going to be like really white on the skin, and hopefully it doesn't have any flashback. And also from the No Filter range is the No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder, and I got this in medium. This is the packaging. It's really cute, and this is what the powder looks like. So I plan on using this to set my whole face, not my under eyes or not the highlighted areas of my face. So yeah, this looks like it will be a pretty good match. Let's feel it. It's really smooth, feels really silky. I also got this bronzer in, I'm pretty sure it was called California Dreaming. So this pan actually came in this packaging right here, and it just said the name on the back of the pan, so that's the only way that you can see what the name is. It doesn't look too warm toned or too cool toned. It's just like a nice in between, which I usually like to use to just like bronze up my face just like on an everyday basis. Next I have this highlighter palette. It comes with 3 shades and they look really like pigmented, and I can't see any glitters in here, so I think it's going to be really nice on the skin. So I think I love this one the most, but I'll probably just mix them all together. So I got this Super Shock Cheek Blush, and this is called Holiday. So this is like a corally peachy colour. It's kind of a bit darker than I thought it would be. Feels really nice and creamy. It's like a weird texture. It's not like a powder, it's like in between a powder and a cream. So that's the colour. Ooh, blends so nicely on the skin. Ooh. So maybe it comes out a bit lighter than it does in the compact. So I got 3 of their Super Shock shadows, and this one is called Birthday Cake. Ooh, that is so pretty. And this is an ultra glitter. It's like a really pretty rose gold shade. The next one is called Amaze, and this is also an ultra glitter. So this is what this one looks like. It's just like a nice kind of bronzy colour with like gold shimmers in it. This is like my favourite colour to wear on the eyes. I love how you can see like the little glitters in them. I think it's just going to look so pretty on the eyes. Next we have the Super Shock shadow in Mittens. So what a cute name. It's just a really dark brown that I would use in my outer V and crease area to darken up the look. So yeah, I really wanted to try one of their matte shadows as well. These just feel so creamy. Like, I've never felt anything like this. This is what this one looks like. I also got this little eyeshadow palette called No Biggie. We've got some peachy shades over here and then a darker like chocolatey burgundy brown and this really nice gold shade. They do look nice, but they're not the most pigmented shadows and they're not like so creamy or anything, but I'll have to try them on my eyes and see what they're like. Next I got this precision brow pencil in Bangin Brunette. It comes with a spoolie on the end, which I really like just to comb through your brows. I usually like a really fine like pencil to fill in my brows, but this one looks kind of thick, so I'll have to try this out and see what it's like. And you can't even wind it back in. So next I got this Brow Boss gel. It's so tiny. It's so much smaller than I was expecting, but oh well, it was so cheap anyway. This is what the product looks like. It says it's a clear brow gel, but it kind of looks white. So I'll be interested to try that out on my brows. Next I got this brow colour in Jet Set Black. So there's no way I'm using this on my brows. I actually got this to do my winged liner. So they didn't have any eyeliner, so I'm going to try this out for liner and I will let you guys know what I think of it. Now for my favourite part, which is lips. The first one I got is called Aquarius, and look how pretty this packaging is. I love it. So this is an ultra satin lip. This is what the shade looks like. It's just a really nice pinky nude, which is pretty much all I wear. Is Aquarius. I really love this shade. I feel like this is the type of colour that you don't even need to wear a lip liner with, because it's just that perfect like in between nude. It's not too light, it's not too dark. Also the ultra satin lips feel really comfortable on the lips. They're not drying at all. They don't like emphasize any lines on your lips. I think they're just amazing. So yeah, I love this formula. I'm definitely gonna get lots more ultra satin lips. So next I got the Ultra Satin Lip in 951, and this is from the I Love Satin collab. So this is one of the colours that she came out with. And I also got the matching lip liner. Really love this color as well. It's like a deeper kind of browny nude. I think it goes really nicely with this eye look. It's something a little bit different. I don't really have many colors like this in my makeup collection. And I also love the lip liner. It's really like creamy and really easy to apply to the lips. Next I have the Ultra Matte Lip called Midi. So this is really similar to Aquarius. They kind of, I didn't realize how similar they are. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set our mind afire, knowing we couldn't hide. This is Midi on the lips. I really like this shade as well. It's more of a lighter pinky colour, but not too light, so it's still really wearable. And yeah, this is the matte formula, so it definitely dries down a lot more matte than the Ultra Satin lips. So if you don't like, you know, that really matte feeling on the lips, then you might want to go for the Ultra Satin lips. And I feel like this is similar to Candy K by Kylie Cosmetics, just a little bit lighter. And I feel like the formula is really similar to Kylie Cosmetics. So they're not as similar as I thought. Candy K is definitely a lot darker. So next is the Ultra Glossy Lip in Curvii. So this looks like a really pretty pinky nude, like I always wear. And I can kind of see like little tiny shimmers in it, which looks really pretty. I think I'm going to pair this with the Lippie Pencil called BFF. I'm going to compare the lip liner to Strip Down by MAC because that's the one that I always wear. This is Strip Down. I can hardly see what I'm doing. And that is Strip Down right there next to BFF. So I think Strip Down is a little bit more brownie compared to BFF, but they're really similar.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.
So this is the Curvii lip gloss with the BFF lip liner. I know I'm going to be wearing this over the top of so many lipsticks all the time. So yes, love this combination. Moving on to my last lip products. This is the Ultra Matte Lip in Creeper, and this is a bright red. And I also got this lip liner to match. It's called Frenchie. Just for comparison, I'm going to show you what this looks like next to MAC Ruby Woo and this MAC lip pencil called Cherry. So that is Ruby Woo. It's just like a classic red. They're really similar. I think this lip liner from Colourpop is a little bit brighter than MAC Cherry. Okay, so this has to be my favorite colour of them all. This is what Creeper looks like on the lips. It's just your perfect classic red. I love the way it looks, and it's also not even drying on the lips. I mean, it doesn't even feel like anything is on my lips. So yeah, this is like the perfect lip combo. I'm so glad that I got these two. That's everything that I got from Colourpop. It is empty. So yeah, I really had a lot of fun doing this video. I loved pretty much everything. Obviously I need to try everything out, but all the lip products, they're just amazing and I love all the shades. I am going to be doing a full face of Colourpop. I think my next video is going to be a tutorial using all of these products, so make sure you're subscribed. Okay guys, so that's it for today. The sun's going down, so I have to end the video. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.